Yo, I am back with another plan with me in my mini happy planner for the second week of November. I don't know why I started this with hey yo, but whatever. So in this plan with me, I am using washi that I got in the, I believe it was called the Rainbow Holic box. And I'm having to cut off that first piece of the washi. Oh no, I didn't have to. I had already done that. Okay, I made a flag. Ta-da! I don't even remember. Sorry. Anyway, so this pretty like gold foiled, really shiny washi is from Japan. I got it in a stationery box that I bought from the Rainbow Holic shop. I actually have an unboxing video for that particular thing, and it was really exciting to receive. And I do want to kind of put in a quick plug for Rainbow Holic shop. The girl who runs it, Kayla, she makes really awesome videos of her hobonichi. She's really sweet, and she just takes really great photos in Japan and everything, and I love supporting her. Well, she is running a special fundraiser kind of subscription box, or not a subscription box, but just a stationery box right now, because her father has cancer, and so she's helping raise money for that through her shop. So if you're interested in cute stationery from Japan, I hope you check that out. Anyway, so moving on from where I initially put down washi, I've got a bunch of different stickers that I'm going to be playing with here. Some are from Recollections, some are from Hobby Lobby, some are from Target, and I'll kind of tell you about them as they go down. But this week was let's see, the second week of November. I guess it was a pretty normal week. I had my teaching as usual. I was doing some more videos. As you can see, I edited and uploaded 3 videos Monday, Wednesday. It's so funny, beginning of this year, I was like, oh, I will upload on Mondays. I had this whole schedule, and the summer happened, and then it was like, whatever. And Thursday was super productive. After my office hours, I came home and I did all this stuff that I needed to get done. And I felt like Superwoman when I was finished, because I vacuumed, I dusted, did laundry, which are all things I hate that take forever, because I don't have my own laundry stuff. I have to, go across the street at my apartments. Anyway, so here towards the end, I am playing with some of these stickers and being like, yes, no, maybe so, change my mind, think about it. And this is a sheet from Recollections that I have right now with these pretty gradients. And I end up using that Recollections, banner and a coffee cup from an old Target Dollar Spot kit sticker book to mark a prose brunch. So some fiction writers, prose writers hung out. That was great. And Saturday night we contra danced, and that was also awesome. I don't think it's supposed to be a verb like that, but we went to a contra dance and it was great. And I don't know where to put this sticker with the flower. This flower sticker and the enjoy sticker are both from Hobby Lobby. And I am thinking about my Target stickers real hard, and then I think I changed my mind. Then I decided, I need to bring in more washi. And so this skinny washi was, I believe, in a multi-pack from Hobby Lobby. I love that color. And then I have to put in just a little more to balance it out. And there we go, nice and pretty. So now I go in and I check all the check boxes, and that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. Oh, and then I smudged the sticker because that's my life. Anyway, everybody have a fabulous day. Please like this video, consider subscribing, and watch for more Playing with Me's.